pretty muddy.
It's so...
Yeah.
It looks dry, but it's so soft.
Nah, it's pretty muddy. Wow. Not good. Too muddy. Look at the trench it dug. Too muddy. Oh, yeah, not bad. There we go. Nice. Yeah, right. I'll go up the front. Pretty muddy. Wow.
Almost fell like 4 times.
Yeah, I came close. I don't have ground clearance. Oh. Second. You hit it in first. All right, here we go. You got me.
Yeah, you should, like, your front end moved over and that's what stopped you.
I sat up further and I didn't tip back though.
I know. My front brakes just went out.
You don't have front brakes?
No, they work, but
oh.
Before they pulled like there when we left, now they're there.
Got adjustment left?
I don't really need it.
This next one will be tough. Huh?
Do they see you?
I don't know. We're gonna try it again. This hill always gets me, man. Whew.
Want me to show you how to do it?
That little ledge there, the second bump, always throws me off. Third attempt. Ah.
All right, my turn.
Damn it.
We're gonna try one more time.
You think you're gonna ride it up?
Huh?
You're gonna ride it up?
You want me to?
Sure.
What, you think I can?
Yeah.
Here, put these goggles in your bag. Here, I'll take it. Here.
It's off, and I don't know if it's in gear.
You got back brakes?
Yeah.
Do you?
Do I have back brakes? Not as sharp as yours. He thinks he's gonna come up. Shit. Wow.
You gotta go full throttle.
That big sprocket, or that little sprocket, almost got away from you.
No, it's bigger.
Onward we go. A lot of road pops around here. A lot of twisted T's. That sounds good with the roller dog, I'll tell you what.
Let's go. It does sound pretty good.
Might have a sip. You're gonna need a sip for dinner. You know what I'm saying?
Huh?
You're gonna need a sip to prepare for dinner, you know what I'm saying? Ah, son of a bitch! Fucking Jaggers! What kind of trail is this? Those Jaggers about ripped my hand off.
Hey, I seen that last time I was out. I'm like, that's a great idea to go around them logs, that rut.
I'm not sure if I have a lot of back brakes.
I like that hill.
We haven't actually put any brakes on these yet since we've owned them.
Yeah, I'll be back.
You're gonna hit that?
Yeah. For you?
The bottom looks rough.
No, it doesn't.
Alright, I'll watch you first. When you were coming down?
When I was going back up.
I figured you tried it again. How'd it feel?
My wrist hurts.
Yeah? What happened?
Oh, I went down.
Muddy?
I don't know. I hit a log. Yeah, I went like that. Fell.
Damn it. Always going down.
What?
I went down.
Did you?
I slid off that ledge there.
I'll give you $50 if you go through that right run.
Nope. Damn, is it nice out?
Where'd you go?
Yeah. Now you think it's funny when I fight the mud.
Huh?
I said, you think it's funny when I fight the mud. This feels familiar. Oof. The branch plug is ripped off on my helmet. Peppered me with mud.
Downhill with a tailwind.
I think that guy in the truck was trying to race us. He was at the gas station when we left.
Yeah, he had to be going like 50 because I was rev limiter in 4.
Yeah.
I was like, bah, 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 bah.
Pretty muddy. I'm going down the easy side. I don't have that problem, bro. I got like 6 inches of ground clearance on them. He doesn't know it. I don't know if you can hear me. Before we left, I put like 5 pounds of air in his back tire. He's been slipping all over the whole day. No shit. Oh, it's awesome. doesn't know it. But time we were here, there was a big orange barrel there. Gone now.
Found it.
Did it fall?
Up.
Did it fall?
The ground went down. Look, you can see the fresh dirt fell.
Wow. He likes this hill over here. We're gonna hit it. It smells like shit down here. Whew, buddy, does it fucking stink. Stink. Not so great. Not so great.
Hey, there's a bunch of water.
All right. Yeah, you thought you'd be funny there, huh? Oh man, got a hold of me there. Sideways, not straight up. I drove like from over there to get up here.
That is steep.
Yeah, I didn't go straight up. Didn't you see me zigzagging all the way up here? All right, I'll come down. Show you how it's done again. I'll come down and show you how it's done. It's pretty crazy steep. Want me to show you again?
Yeah.
All right. Give me a sec. I'll give you a lesson. Oh.
Right there.
I'll be right here. All right, keep going now. Cut back. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. There we go. Get it, yeah! You almost ate that handlebar.
She didn't want to be thrown.
No. Whew. Yeah, sideways is the only way to get it.
I thought I was going to be slick and just launch it.
Yeah, I tried to skate it too much.
Come on, Becky. Oh my God.
All right, I'm gonna give you lesson number 2.
First one didn't help.
Yeah! Come on! Give me a lesson!
I'm too low to the ground. My pegs are dragging.
Yeah, I was gonna say, even here I had to turn and shoot up.
I'm going to try that one more time.
Yeah, you're gonna have to hit it straight on eventually. Maybe, you know, kind of like a slower climb.
Yeah, I'm going to hit it dead on as soon as I cross. I'm just going to shoot up it. The bike might fly over, so just be prepared.
All right, yeah, cross over real short down there. There you go. There we go. Now just fucking hit it straight up, straight up, straight up. Come on, baby. Ah! He doesn't look good. Cody!
Yeah.
You alive? Is your bike off? All right. What happened?
I found the rock.
Ah. I think all the gas is leaking out of the bike.
Is it? I think my exhaust has dirt in it. Yeah. Look, that's my pegs being stuck right there.
Wow.
And the handlebar jerked like that. Found my knees on all these rocks.
Let's go a little further down and climb.
Again.
Huh?
I'm hitting it again.
Yeah, right.
I'm making it.
I already made it twice, so I'm just gonna sit here. Poor dirt bike. The poor fucking pit bike. He ain't making that shit. Ah, I see. Nope. Here we go. We going all the way, baby? Yeah. Jesus! That was a solid hit. Ah. Sesame Street?
No, that one's yellow.
Oh.
You can see its head starting to turn white.
No, I'm all right.
Why not?
I'm good.
You got it. Are you hitting it? I've tried that like 4 times on this thing. But you can't even make it up the bottom.
Is that right? Nice, man. Hell yeah. What? Nah, man.
How's your shin feel?
Yeah, my bike's on my leg. Yeah, pipe's fucking hot.
You want to help? You want to help?
Nah.
Pick the thing up and hit the right line. Come on.
I'm about out of the brake adjustment.
Or what?
All. That's not good.
That is not good. At all.
That quickly ruined that side.
Yeah. That's not good. That bolt came out.
plastic piece off on the inside. Nah, look at that bottom. Wow. Yeah, it is the same fender.
Just about.
Yep.
Maybe a little older.
Mine's broken now.
Is it? No, I mean like destroyed it. Like I'm pretty sure it bent my tailbone in. I thought it just went like this. And it turned and it stuck.
Make it up it?
Remember, he's got a little root ledge. More coming up.
Just one more dirt bike. Chainsaw. Man,
dude, that thing is
that's
sweet.
quite a fucking beast. There was a kid in there too.
It's road legal. Like,
I see there's a plate on it. Crazy big.
What do you think? What size accident this were?
38s? I don't know.
35s.
They're huge.
Those are
good little pun. I hit something hard. I came to top. I was gaining on you for sure.
This thing doesn't have it.
I got more bottom.
Well, you gained on me so much in the turns.
Yeah.
I was holding it wide.
Yeah, something up top. There must be a dip or something. That was bad. Where do you go there?
Yeah.
My brakes are maxed out, baby.